In this video, you'll learn how to convert cryptocurrency to Nigerian Naira on Binance. This process will guide you through the steps needed to successfully complete the conversion and manage your funds accordingly. Begin by logging into your Binance account. Once you are signed in, locate the navigation menu on the homepage. From there, find and select either the Convert option or the PT2P trading section. This will direct you to the appropriate interface for exchanging your cryptocurrency. Next, you will need to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to sell. In the Convert section, you will see a drop-down menu or selection area where you can pick your desired crypto asset. After selecting the cryptocurrency, make sure to review its current market value before proceeding. After selecting the cryptocurrency, you will need to specify the receiving currency. Look for the option to choose the Nigerian Naira, abbreviated as NGN. If NGN is available, select it from the list. You will also need to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to convert into Naira. Be mindful of the amount you enter as it will impact the total you receive. Once you've entered the amount, review the conversion details presented on the screen. Ensure that all information is correct, as this is a crucial step. After confirming that everything looks accurate, proceed to confirm the transaction. You may encounter a confirmation prompt asking you to verify that you want to complete the conversion. After confirming the transaction, you will receive a notification indicating that the conversion is processing. This may take a moment depending on the network conditions and the amount being converted. Once completed, check your Fiat wallet or P2P balance to see the Nigerian Naira reflected in your account. It's important to verify that the funds have been successfully transferred. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.